Hi everyone, so today I'm going to answer a question that I get asked quite a bit from other people about driving instructors basically. So every driving instructor is different and we all do things a little bit differently, but the question I got asked recently was how many lessons before I go on the road. So I asked them how many lessons have you had, and they said 7. And it's up to obviously the driving instructor's preference. Are you at the standard that the driving instructor wants you at to be on the road? Are you doing things well? Personally, I tend to have people on the road within the first lesson. I start in a very quiet area and I'll have you on the road within the first hour or two. I asked this particular person, where have you been having your lessons? And they've told me that they're having lessons in a car park. Now, understandably, car parks aren't the best place to start. They are quiet, but basically all you're doing is you're driving round and round in circles, and it may seem fun, but in honesty, it's not the best place you want to be starting, because then you're going to have to do another lesson out on the road, learning about the road and having other vehicles around you. If you can, try and avoid driving instructors that are keeping you in a car park. 1 or 2 lessons, I'd say, aren't the best solution for you. I have done a lesson in a car park before, and to be honest, they're boring, absolutely boring. I don't know how you could spend more than half an hour in a car park, but again, every driving instructor is different, every driving school is different. Read reviews is all I can say, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you've got. Thanks, bye.